So guys, I've decided to make another flywheel out of this. It's heavy but it's smaller, and I think it'll spin more easier. So guys, I've cleaned this up here a little bit. What I'm going to do is drill a hole and also bring it down so there's a little lip kind of thing. So we put the grub screw on, and I'm going to turn down the other side as well. So I'm going to do most of it off camera. Thanks. Guys, one side's done here. I've got a lip on there, so I'll put a grub screw through there. Now I'm gonna take this down, not too much, but I'm gonna take a little bit down. I think it'll do because it's not big, it's not that heavy. It'll work. It doesn't seem to be sitting properly there, so I want to just use my thing. Well guys, way up, way up. So I gotta make sure that's sitting right. Okay guys, I think it's setting right now. So here it is guys, it's not too heavy, it's smaller, and I'll just drill and tap that, and that'll be it. I might actually spray this because I'm not sure if this metal will keep it shiny or what. So guys, I put that on because I've lost these nuts here. Once I get new ones, I'll put them in, so I don't need this. Now I have put a small one on to see if it works even better, but I'm not 100% sure. I just tried it. It's not very good, but I'll decide when I put the steam on, see which flywheel works best. Right now, let's have a look at this. So here we are again guys. I've had to put on this just in case it wobbles off or throws itself about. I'm going to try with this small one first, then I'm going to try and use this pulley here I like to use that one if I can, but let's see what happens. I have tightened these up here, as you can see, and it's supposed to be timed. So this is my old faithful steamer boiler kind of thing, and I'll get back to you when this is working. It's not big enough steam to go, I don't think. Hi guys, so you saw the video of trying to work it on steam and it doesn't work. And if you look here, it might need a support again. This one here, like this. But more than this, I'm thinking about a sleeve in there. I need to put a sleeve in there for this to spin in there, and I think that will help a lot. So I'm going to make that sleeve. So this is it guys, nice and smooth. Finally found the right size drill bit here. So that's it. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to put a grub screw to hold this down or just glue it down with super glue. I'll try super glue first, and if worse comes to worse, I'll just put a grub screw to hold it in place. In here. Let's see. Okay guys, so I put the bush in there. So we're going to put the big wheel here, and I'll put it all together. Just a little more air. Come. A bit more. Okay, it vibrates a little bit guys, but I think the air's too much, so I'm going to lower the air down a bit. So if it works on a small bit of air, and I haven't got nothing to measure the air with here. I think it needs tweaking a little bit more, but works on less air here right now, so we can see that it might work on steam. I'm using this again guys, just trying it one more time. Just trying to go, look. It just hasn't got enough. Guys, I've done a lot of things. I put the bush in there and everything else on this engine. It works great on air, but steam it doesn't. And I've got an idea that this is too heavy. Okay guys, so I don't know how many takes this is now, but what I've done with this one, I'm thinking the flywheel was a bit heavy, so I put these few plates together onto like a shoulder kind of thing. And let's see if it works. If it doesn't work this time, then the last thing I'm going to do is put a bearing in there, 2 bearings in there, and that will be really easy to push around. So let's see what happens. It's trying to go. And this it blows. At last I got it going. So yes, I'm losing a lot of steam there, as you can see, and also I need a lighter flywheel. But I'm so pleased after about millionth try, this is actually working. Sounds like a train.